Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell. It really helps out the channel. Today, we're going to be installing the Meso Customs cover for the fuse box inside the cab. If you have ADA circuits, this is perfect for that. Look at that. Even has a fuse tool and extra fuses on top of it. So I got two ADA circuits there, and you can see how they easily fit in there. This install, you'll need needle nose pliers. So the first thing you want to do is take out those pieces that separate the fuse box. You can see I've already done that there. You just simply grab a hold of it and then twist it off, pull out. So you can see the fuse tool there, and it's got all the fuses you'll ever need in case one goes bad. So as you can see, that's just not going to go over an ADA circuit very easily. So we're going to have to make some modifications here. So what we're going to do is remove some of the teeth on the sides just like that. And we might as well just go ahead and do it for future ADA circuits as well, so we don't have to do it again. Then just simply place that over the fuse box there, and we'll call it a day. Here we go. Check this out.